I just wanted to prepare a quick video with strategies in Figma to tidy up your styles in Figma. Like for example, in previous tutorial, I explained in the style guide that if you select all the frames, which is the name that Figma puts to pages, so you select all of them and you see in the properties, you can do this. It shows you the colors, and the cool thing, all the colors that your document is using. You do have to select elements. Like if I select this, it wouldn't show, so I do have to select them and it will show me. Okay. So that way I can quickly replace a color if I need to, and it will actually apply in the entire document. But I wanted to show a trick video because it about the text and not having a similar trick to select the text. As I say, for example, that I have been changing the fonts, but I want maybe to create a style guide, etc. And I want to know how many pages are using this is exact same style, because I just want to edit all of them. Okay, so instead of guessing to see which one is it, I want Figma to tell me how many pages are using this fonts style. So okay, so I select the font, and this is done with a plugin in Figma. So to add a plugin, I go to the tool at the bottom and actions, and then there is a plugin that is called Similar Text Selector. If you haven't used it, it wouldn't show in here like that, but you obviously can go to plugin and perform a search, and it will show up when you perform a search. So you select the plugin, and it's showing in gray because I have nothing selected. So what it's telling me, please select a text. Okay, so I want to check, for example, this text, and you see how this gets activated. And then I say, okay, select similar. And what it's going to do is search in the entire pages and and all the frames how many other pages are using the similar text. And that way I can actually see, also it will help me to see the consistency as well. For example, with a paragraph, I select this paragraph, it tells me the properties right here, select similar, and it selects all the text that is used in the paragraph. So that way, in the property channels, I can modify the text in one go without having to select each one, which can be handy. And I can also create a style guide. I create a style for the body text or modify the text. So so let's see it in action. Let's see, and select similar, and then I select all the text. That's great. Then I want to change the font size from 20 to 4, or maybe I want to make it a little bit bolder, and that will apply to all of them. And I can select here and create a style guide, create style. I create a style and maybe I'm going to call it body large and create style. And yeah, that will be quick. So I hope this helps on tidying up your file and finding ways to consistently change the font styles as well. Okay, see you next time. Bye.